Welcome to Boxcode. In this video, we will learn how to download the Java JDK in Windows. Here, we will download the Java JDK 8 version. So, let's start it. First of all, we are going to the browser and search Java JDK 8 download. Here, we will see the first link and click on this link. After that, we will see that many products are available in this page. Here, we will click on Windows x64 and log in if you not have login ID. After that, we will click on checkbox and just download the file. Our file download started. Here, we can see that our file is downloaded, so click on the file. After that, we will click on Next button. And after that, click on Source Code and click the Next button. Installation is started. Here, we can see that new pop-up menu is open, so just click on OK button. After that, click on Next button. Our process is completed, so click on Close button. After that, we will go into C drive and click on Program File. Here, we can see that Java folder. So, just going Java folder and click JDK. Here, we will go into bin folder. After that, just copy the path. After that, we will go into Properties and click on Advanced Settings. After that, we will go into Environment Variable and select Path. And just press the Edit button, and here we will create a new path, and here, paste path of our JDK. After that, we will copy the path of JRE and paste like JDK. Our process is completed, so click on OK buttons. After that, we will go into CMD and check the Java and Java C is run or not. Our Java and Java C is perfectly run, so after that we will try the one Java program. Here, we have one Java program, so let's run the program. Our program is perfectly run. Thank you for watching this video. If any query in video, then comment your query. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Like, share, subscribe, comment.